The three main types of communication and engagement measures are promotion of air quality measures, presentation of data or information, and promotional events. Promoting air quality measures is important to ensure that the general public are aware of the measures and understand why they're beneficial. Some ways to promote air quality measures include leading by example. The city can show it's investing in air quality improvements by upgrading its municipal vehicle fleet to less polluting vehicles, such as electric vehicles. Advertising campaigns. These should highlight any benefits or subsidies available to the public and businesses, for example, to help with switching to an EV, obtaining or renting a bike, and public transport offers and discounts. Websites. The city's Department for Transport and the Environment should have a page dedicated to air quality and traffic improvements in the city. This information should be highlighted on the department's homepage and wherever the air quality monitoring data is presented to encourage people to visit the page. School campaigns. These educate younger citizens by highlighting the specific risks of air pollution or by investing in low-cost monitoring or maybe something like an electric minibus for the school. And commercial campaigns. Commercial subsidies should be brought to the attention of companies as well as the opportunity for them to install EV infrastructure in their workplaces. It's also important to present information to the public in a simple way. This could range from presentation of air quality measurements and pollution forecasting data to providing dynamic passenger information systems for public transport or explaining the rules of a charging scheme. For dynamic passenger information systems, bus stops or train stations might be equipped with boards that display the information. Alternatively, an app could be set up to share live public transport information and to buy and book tickets, or a QR code could be placed at bus stops directing the user to a website which has the same information. Dynamic passenger information systems for public transport make journeys less stressful for citizens because they feel well informed about the journey and can make decisions if there are disruptions, such as accidents. Having confidence in the reliability of the public transport system can help it become preferable to the private vehicle. In cities which focus on penalties to ensure compliance with emissions standards or other rules and regulations, it's important that compliance information is easy for the public to access and understand. Singapore has strict emissions standards for all vehicle types, as well as anti-idling and smoky vehicle enforcement. Their National Environment Agency website provides concise information on the vehicle emission standards, requirements for smoky vehicles, and an extensive explanation of idling. It also gives web links to accredited vehicle inspection centres and to where the public can report illegal vehicles. With any type of charging scheme, it's important that those travelling to the city are aware of the scheme's charges and any criteria for exemptions. For example, in Oxford's pilot zero emission zone, citizens are able to plan for the scheme because the proposed charges are clearly available online, including the charging time period, the specific charges for different vehicle classes, and details on which vehicles would be exempt from the charges and how long this exemption lasts. Rules and regulations relating to air quality may be met by resistance from the general public, but if they're clearly displayed, the public can feel more well informed. If restrictions have to be put in place, a better relationship between the city and the citizens can be achieved by being open and honest with them. Finally, promotional events are an exciting way to generate enthusiasm for air quality and to demonstrate actions that the public can take to improve air quality. Working with residents' associations and other local groups to promote awareness of pollution issues is key. Events are good mechanisms for engagement and to quickly reach a large number of people. This extra motivation could be the stepping stone between someone taking an interest in air quality issues or not. It's also effective to make the most of something specific to the city, such as a piece of history, an interesting road, or an architectural feature. European Mobility Week is the European Commission's flagship awareness-raising campaign for sustainable urban mobility. It happens yearly in September, and participation can be at any level. Participating bodies are encouraged to try out innovative planning measures, promote new infrastructure and technologies, measure air quality, and get feedback from the public. There are the European Mobility Week Awards, which award local authorities that make significant efforts to promote sustainable urban mobility during the campaign. The website provides campaign resources that can be downloaded and used to promote the event, as well as communication toolkits and materials packages in a number of European languages. In Jakarta, Indonesia, to increase public awareness of air pollution, a car-free day is held every Sunday on the busiest main road in the city centre. During this day, the road is closed to motor vehicles from 6 to 11 a.m. The focus has also been expanded from just pollution reduction to a healthy lifestyle, including outdoor exercise classes, street food, markets and entertainment, which has helped the event grow further, become a tourist attraction, and has provided great opportunities for local businesses. Communication and engagement measures are vital in gaining the attention of the general public and enthusing them about air quality.